I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mazda CX-30 tire. First, ensure you have all the essential tools: a jack, lug wrench, and your spare tire. Safety is paramount, so park your vehicle on a level, stable surface, well away from any moving traffic. Always remember to engage the parking brake firmly. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you'll be changing. This prevents any accidental rolling. Now let's get those lug nuts ready. If your Mazda CX-30 has a wheel cover or hubcap, carefully remove it to expose the lug nuts. Take your lug wrench and, turning counterclockwise, loosen each lug nut. You don't need to remove them completely at this stage. Just loosen them by about 1/2 to 1 full turn. This initial loosening is much easier while the tire is still on the ground and stable. With the lug nuts loosened, it's time to lift your vehicle. Locate the designated jacking point on your Mazda CX-30 frame, usually near the flat tire. Carefully raise the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Once lifted, you can fully unscrew the lug nuts by hand. Hold onto the flat tire with both hands and gently pull it straight off the wheel studs. Now for the final steps. Carefully lift your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs, pushing it firmly into place. Hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, lower your Mazda CX-30 until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern with the wrench. Lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and give the nuts one last check. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic deals on durable socks and other helpful items. Drive cautiously to a service center to repair or replace your original tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.